I'm not allowed to fly through it. It's a sacred valley. This used to be the capital. So it's the King's Valley. All the kings used to live here, and all the kings are buried in the caves. Right? Their bones, that's where they maintain their mana, their power, and then they protect the valley. This is the only sandy beach here, and also the only valley that still has people in it. There's only about 100 now, but like in the 60s and 70s, there were thousands of people in this valley. But the 75 tsunami wiped the valley out. Nobody died, but the valley was gone. Yeah, and then they started from scratch. There's only one way in. It's that steep road there. Now, if you do want to come and visit here, you can, but you have to go by organized group. You won't get a permit if you're not a resident. And the thing is, I live like in the old days, because if you look at that river there, on the left side of the river, there's electricity. On the right side, they only have generators. Or is this a dream? And if you ever seen the movie Waterworld with Kevin Costner, this is Dryland.
How tall is that waterfall?
1,500. Yeah, that valley is 6 miles deep. A lot of wild horses in there too. Now all these waterfalls depend only on one thing. Rain. No rain, no waterfalls. Well, that's not true. Some of them stay because that rainforest up there holds onto that water quite well. But some of them will faint out, and some of them will disappear. You saw that piece of land we just passed? You see that piece of land in front of us? That used to be all belonging to the wall. It's just a landslide, and over time it grows on top of it. This valley, on the other hand, we can go in. This is Waimanu. Sounds good, I'll keep it low. So here on the right side, Wailikai, that's the name of that waterfall, and that one is also 1,500 feet. That's Dale. That back wall, that's actually one waterfall. It's called Waihilau. We call it the keyhole. And it could be, most of the time it's just that one little stream on the right side, but it rained in the afternoon and we got 4 streams. It could go up to 6. Yeah, I can get a little swirly in here. It's not like I'm all over the place. This is Lahomene here on the right side. Now, the one in front of us here, this one is 2,600 feet. There's one big swamp down there. A lot of water is trying to get out. A lot of wild boar in here too. It's a campsite down there. So this is called the Wall of Tears. We're going to follow it a little bit down, turn around, and land. What do you think about that? See this landslide here? This brown part? That was last week. And then that waterfall next to it is 700 feet. It's one of our landing sites, but we're not going to land there. See, there's another guy that already landed there. I'm going to show you where we're going to land, okay? Now while I turn, you're going to scratch your head. You see that really intense waterfall? The smaller one? We're going to land at the bottom of that.